I'm making some Rocky Road candy. So I'm lining this baking dish with wax paper, and I'm going to butter it a little bit just in case. I'm going to set this aside. So now I'm making a double boiler of sorts. I've got some water down in this Dutch oven, and I'm going to set a saucepan down in it. And in that, I'm going to put one 12-ounce bag or package of Nestle's Toll House Semi-Sweet Chocolate Morsels. And I'm going to start stirring these occasionally. It shouldn't take very long for them to melt. And I'm going to add to the chocolate morsels 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright, so our chocolate morsels are just about melted. And as soon as the butter melts, and I can stir it in, we're going to be ready to add the other ingredients. Now we're going to add a 14-ounce can of condensed milk. Okay, now I'm going to mix that up. I'm trying to get this so you can see down into my pot how it looks while I'm trying to mix it up. Okay, that's looking pretty smooth. And now I'm going to add 2½ cups of chopped nuts. Now you can use pecans, walnuts, peanuts. A lot of people use dry roasted peanuts. And I actually bought peanuts, but I'd rather have pecans or walnuts. So I'm going to add 2½ cups of chopped walnuts. And stir that up a bit. And now I'm going to add, and I don't know, it says add 16 ounces of the Mini Marshmallows, but I don't know how I'm going to get 16 ounces in here. Okay, I'm going to turn this burner off. I've put a little bit more than half a bag, so it looks like I'm only going to put about 8 ounces of the marshmallows. I don't want it to be all marshmallow and nothing else. So now I'm going to go ahead and start spooning it in our prepared container here, baking pan. Now I'm going to kind of spread this out in the pan. I hate that I'm the only one here to have to clean the pot out. Do I sound like I really hate that? Okay. Now, I just have to let that sit and cool. And then I'll be able to cut it into squares. But it looks pretty good already, doesn't it? It's time for the taste test. It really hasn't sat long enough. It's not firm yet, but I can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna see if I can get this little piece right here off the corner and do a taste test. Here we go. That is really good. Amazing. Baby thinks so too. Thanks for stopping by.